Good afternoon, everyone. So, some of the details of the topic were uh, taken care by the previous speaker, so I will skip some of the slides. So, cornea is basically a anatomically layered structure. So, we do, we know that the cornea has 5 layers, but now we have Dr. Dua with ourselves, and he has highlighted the importance of the sixth layer, that is Dua's layer. And cornea is maintained in a state of detergence by endothelial cells, sodium potassium ATPase, and by tight junctions between endothelial cells. So the average human endothelial cell density decreases with age, and there is an average cell loss of 0.6% per year. So normal healthy cornea needs good endothelium count, so to get a good orderly arrangement of collagen fibers so that it remains transparent. Once the cell count drops to below 700, then the chances of corneal decompensation increases, and we get symptoms of bullous keratopathy. So keratoplasty is a condition where we do full thickness corneal transplantation, and we remove the diseased host cornea with a healthy donor cornea, and we can classify it into penetrating keratoplasty and lamellar keratoplasty, and lamellar further classified into anterior and endothelial keratoplasty. So I will be speaking today on DSEC. So the indications are endothelial dysfunction and corneal edema and absence of visually significant stromal scarring. So conditions such as Fuchs endothelial dystrophy, PBK, aphakic bullous keratopathy, failed penetrating keratoplasty, and eye syndrome are the indications. The advantages were taken care of by the previous speakers. So I will just show you my case and how I do manual DSEC. So the donor corneoscleral rim is mounted on an artificial anterior chamber, and you can just scrape off the epithelium. Then dissection is carried out with blunt dissectors. I usually use the dissectors which are provided by Indo-German. So they are of two kinds, one straight and another one is slightly curved. So once the dissection is done, then you can start the surgery, mark the central 8 mm of area with the trephine. Then you can dissect the diseased descemet membrane over the marked area. Take out the descemet membrane, and then the lenticule which was dissected is capped with endothelial side down and pushed over sheaths glide. Then carefully, while holding the lenticule, you can just take out the sheaths glide. You can wash the little bit viscoelastic and then inject air to get good tamponade. So this is the end of the video, and this is the pre and post-op outcome of the same patient. Visual acuity improved to 20 by 100 by 1 week, and these were the ASOCT pictures of the same patients, and at 1 month post-op the visual acuity improves to 20/30. So you can have some complications, such as in this case we can detect that there is endolenticule detachment, and you can confirm it by anterior segment OCT, and after rebubbling the endolenticule was attached, and this was again documented on ASOCT. You can also do DSEC with IOL exchange, and these were the pictures of the same patient. So there are significant technical and surgical challenges which are involved in performing lamellar micro dissection of a tissue which is only 500 micron thick, and recent advances in surgical technique Benefits of a more controlled surgical procedure and improved graft survival rates have resulted in a shift away from conventional PK. Thank you.
So thank you, sir. So it was well described. So we have, for the paucity of the time, we'll go to the next topic again. So Dr. Ritu Arora will be speaking on DSEC in complicated situation. In the meanwhile, sir, first I have a question, sir. So I have a question. So in the video you have shown, you did not suture it.
No, if I am creating a sclerocorneal pocket, I don't suture it.
Suture it.
No.
So, but is there any risk of lenticle coming out from the section while?
If you are careful, usually sclerocorneal pockets they are quite secure. But in case if I am doing clear corneal dissection and making an incision which is slightly larger in size, 3 or more, then I always suture it.
Okay.
Yes.
But for the beginners, it will the idea.
Yeah, it will be better that if you
suture.
yes.